So now I am going to explain skewed beam. So after opening this Tekla software, so this is the front view, and this is the top view, and these are the different sections. So the front view is very easy. Just we will take RD and all. I think it is very common how we do with other beams. It is very similar to that, and only difference here is see in the front view, in the top view, you just see these two plates. Okay, so these are in skewed direction, so these are in skewed plates. So what you will do is this is 1 2 3 4. Okay, so the third one is connecting. So same way what you will do is, and here you take this is called, this is 1 2 3 4. See, you just see the direction, you get sequence, that is 1 2 3 4. So here also 1 2 3 4. So here third one is connecting. So what I will do is, you take RD to this third line. Okay, and here also uh, you just take, so this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4. So this is 2, right? So give a line to this 2, give RD this 2, and similarly you do give RD to this also, that is 1 2 3 4. And this is 1 2 3 4. So this is 2 1 2. So you give RD for the line which is connecting to this plate. So the same process continues. And here, after giving RD, you come to top view. In top view, and also you give RD to the one which is connecting. So here this one is connecting, so I give RD to this. Similarly do the same thing to all. After giving RD, next thing what you will do is, you take this plate and give bubble. Okay, after giving bubble, in this way you can give the bubble. And after giving the bubble, you can see here that at the top and at the bottom you are giving bubble. After giving bubble, for this plate, what you will do is, you just give the amount of the distance it is from this bottom of the line which is connecting. So it is at the distance of 1/7/8. Same thing continues here also. In how much distance it is from the connecting side, so you can give the distance. And same thing. And after giving that, what you will do is, from this bottom to this line, from this bottom to the bolt, what is the distance, you just give the distance. Same thing continues here also. From the bottom to this bolt hole, what is the distance, you can just give the distance. So this is the way in which we do detailing of these Tekla structures. And the same thing continues. And after that, you take section. So we have two different plates. So you take section AA. From here to here, you just take section AA, and this is the section we get. You can just give the vertical dimension, horizontal dimension not required for this. So this is section A, and this is section B. It just continues like that. And after the, so if you want, you can see the difference. See, here it is starting from this web to in this incline, and it is also starting from the web. And if you see the section G and F, the both are connected, right? See, here you can see both are connected. See, from the web, it is connected from the web to the flange. The beams are in skew direction from web to the flange. Okay, and in this way you can just go. And after giving that, uh, you can give the welding typical. So this one we have from a table, we get the value 1/2 position, we get this from the table. So in this way we do, the detailing. And you can see here, if you closely observe, for G and F, there is chance of getting, for G and F there is chance. So since it is connected from the web to the flange, we are getting this line after taking section. So we can just hide this after doing this, and you can just show hide by show. So in this you can hide from the drawing view. So it becomes hide. If it is in blue color, it is hiding. Okay, and remaining other things are similar.